make it go.
Okay, let's see.
I put that button, Dad.
Yeah.
I put that button and make it go. I can't hold down in it.
It's okay.
I put that button and make it go.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
You gonna do it again?
Fluffy. Not good. I can find another French toast.
You're gonna flip another French toast?
I can find another one.
Okay, well let's flip that one first.
I promise.
Promise?
I promise. I found the other one.